welcome to more class. In this question, some materials properties, okay, and its units are given, and it is asking to match the column, okay. So before matching the column, you need to know the properties, okay, so that you can easily find out the units of that property, okay. First one is given the bulk modulus, okay. You know that bulk modulus is nothing but the resistance, okay, given by a body to resist the change in volume with respect to its original volume, okay. So bulk modulus, that is denoted by K, okay, that is nothing but your resistance, that means strength, okay, resistance to the change in volume with respect to original volume. So this is in the denominator, dV is your change in volume to the original volume, so it will be cancelled, the unit will be cancelled, so only the unit of stress will be there, that is your Newton per meter square, because in the column units SI unit is there, so Newton per meter square will be here. Next is your thermal conductivity. So thermal conductivity, it is also denoted by K. We know that from Fourier equation, Q dot equal to K dt by dx. From the above equation, we can write K equal to Q dot by A dt by dx. So unit of Q dot equal to heat transfer rate unit is your nothing but your joule per second, that is your watt, and unit of area equal to meter square, unit of temperature difference will be your Kelvin, and unit of thickness will be your meter in SI unit. So this meter will be cancelled, so final unit of thermal conductivity will be your watt per meter Kelvin. Next is your heat transfer coefficient. It is asking to find out the unit of heat transfer coefficient. We know that heat transfer rate in fluid Q dot equal to HA dt. This is according to Newton's law of cooling. So H is nothing but your coefficient of thermal conductivity. So we can write H equal to Q dot by A dt. That equal to unit of Q dot equal to, that is your watt, because heat transfer is nothing but change of heat with respect to time. So heat unit is your joule per second, that is your watt in SI unit. So area unit is your meter square, dt unit is your Kelvin. So heat transfer coefficient is your watt per meter square Kelvin. Now heat flow rate is nothing but your Q dot or Q dash you are writing, okay. So Q dot equal to change in heat, okay, with respect to time, dq by dt. So heat unit is your joule in SI unit and dt is your second. So joule per second is nothing but your watt. Okay, now let us compare the columns. Option A, Newton per meter square, so it is present in option 2. Thermal conductivity unit is your watt per meter Kelvin, so that is present in this your option 5. Okay, this is your option 5. This is your option 5. So thermal conductivity unit that will be in your option 5. The third option, heat transfer coefficient, okay, what unit is your watt per meter square Kelvin, okay, that is present in option 6. And the last option, heat flow rate unit is your watt, okay, that is present in option 4. Okay, so we can write that is your A is matching in option 2, B thermal conductivity is matching in option 5, so C is matching to option 6, okay, D is matching to option 4. So this will be your answer. If you have any doubts, you can ask in the comment section.